Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a biscuit layer cake. This easy method creates a delightful dessert without any baking. We will cover gathering simple ingredients, assembling the layers quickly, and chilling the cake to perfection. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this surprisingly simple yet incredibly tasty treat that requires minimal effort. To begin, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need approximately 20 to 24 digestive biscuits, which form the cake's base. For the rich cream, prepare 250 grams of softened unsalted butter, 100 grams of powdered sugar, and 50 grams of cocoa powder. These common items combine to create a wonderfully decadent and easy-to-make dessert. Now for the fun part, layering your cake. Briefly dip each biscuit into milk or coffee, just enough to soften it slightly. Then, spread a generous layer of your prepared chocolate cream mixture over the biscuits. Continue this process, alternating biscuits and cream, until all your biscuits are used. Once assembled, chill the cake for a minimum of 4 hours to allow it to firm up beautifully. Once your biscuit layer cake is perfectly chilled, it's time for the finishing touches. Dust the top with a little extra cocoa powder for a sophisticated look. You can also add chocolate shavings or fresh berries for extra flair. When serving, use a warm, sharp knife to get clean slices. This delightful no-bake cake is best enjoyed chilled, offering a rich and satisfying dessert experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.